Travel offers experiences that enrich our lives and broaden our horizons. And individuals with spinal cord injuries need not miss out. This guide will help you plan a smooth trip. Planning and preparation. Plan well ahead and gather details about the accessibility of your destination and stay. Carry essential medical documents, contacts and prescriptions. Plan according to the destination weather conditions. Official websites and apps can now provide real-time information on accessibility, status updates, navigation, local weather. Food and fluids. Optimize your fluid intake to avoid dehydration or UTI. Use bottled water wherever possible. Avoid dehydrating beverages. Limit spicy food and eat adequate fiber. Managing bowel and bladder. Change to an indwelling catheter for ease of voiding. You can attach a 2-liter leg bag to increase capacity. Carry a leak-proof bottle to empty the urine bag easily. Secure your catheter to avoid any damage during transfers. Always carry extra supplies in case of uncertain delays. Empty your bowel before you travel to avoid accidents, or use adult diapers. Traveling with assistive devices. Ensure your mobility aids are in good working condition. Carry spare parts or repair tools if necessary. Secure wheelchair parts and remove the cushion before storing it. Ensure safe transfers and frequent pressure lifts to prevent skin injuries. Travel by air. Select a seat with easy access and additional leg room. Inform the airline during booking or check-in if you require any assistance. Give instructions on how to fold your wheelchair and get it labeled as fragile. Assistive devices are not counted under baggage weight limit at airports. You can request use of your wheelchair till aircraft if the airport wheelchair is not suitable. Check at the counter whether the battery of your motorized wheelchair is allowed in the cabin. You can request for a swab test or explosive trace detection or ETD test instead of an X-ray at security scan if transferring out of your wheelchair is inconvenient. Ensure adequate transit time for connecting flights. Travel by train. You can specify disability-related needs on the official Indian Railways online booking platform. Long-distance trains usually have wheelchair-friendly special coaches available with proof of disability. You and one caregiver can avail concessions, details for which you can find on the link shared. Travel by bus. Contact the service provider for information on concessions, accessibilities and the facilities available beforehand. Request for assistance to board and deboard and to safely stow the wheelchair. Travel by rental vehicles. Accessible vehicles are often rented at a higher cost than standard vehicles. Budget accordingly. Confirm weight and size limits with the rental agency to stow your wheelchair. Prioritize safety such as seat belts and airbags. Self-drive. Your driving license becomes invalid after spinal cord injury. However, you can approach the concerned authority to get a license through a procedure laid out by them. Precaution while self-driving. Get regular vision and health checkups. Follow proper techniques for transfers. Have a plan for emergency situations. Plan your medications appropriately so that their side effects do not affect your driving ability.